Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to generate presentation slides with Gemini AI in Google Slides. And as you can see right now, we have this Try Gemini right here. And to be able to actually see this, okay, you need to enable it, okay? So let me actually show you how to enable that. So you come here, open up Gemini, click on the bottom left, settings and help. Okay, click on apps and just make sure that you have toggled this on for Google Workspace. Okay, then let's come back here to slides. Okay, and then you can just go ahead and try out this Gemini. Now remember, you need to actually go ahead and sign up for Google One to be able to use this. So just go ahead and enable the settings, and after you're done, you can go ahead and use this in your Google Slides to generate your presentations just by using simple prompts. Now, these are some of the things you can do in Slides. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.